Oh, there, this is the spaceship. The GameStop. GameStop. It's a GameStop. Oh, so you're gonna see, and then we're gonna put the luggage in there.
That's fine.
What else to bring?
We can
You
just
need to put in it.
whatever put on.
Just stop on it.
Kuya doon na. Drive the car there. That's okay. It's so you guys can go here already. In the back.
Oh yeah, back. Another one. Yeah, back. You see.
That Timalo, you guys are small people.
Yeah, we're the small people. We're the tiny people.
Let me figure it out. Let's see.
Tiny people. We're tiny.
It's awkward to roll it. If you think you have.
Okay, this is the space.
You guys are strong.
On board the sea, on board the technology and space.
Ano, Ivan? Ayan. Tita Apple is also uli atin. Why? Tita Apple is calling Ayan, Ivan. That's close enough.
Here's the map of Anaheim. My God.
Andun pa si Bibi sa ano.
Here's the map. I found this in the hotel. This is the map here.
Labas.
Here's all the places of Anaheim. Yes.
Nakabit na naman.
San Diego. That's not an Anaheim. Why is San Diego? Look at this here. It says San Diego. Zoo.
Nasabit.
That's not in Anaheim. Why is there?
Antayin natin si ano. Si
Why San
Noni
Diego
kasi
Zoo?
kinuha niya yung jacket doon.
Okay, that's very important. It's in Anaheim. Yeah, not
Ay, habang
Disneyland.
program
That's in Anaheim, but that's San Diego Zoo. That's not in.
lugar-lugar dito.
What's it doing in Anaheim?
South Street.
Garden.
Na-Atlantic.
Golden Globe is in. This is
Go back here.
SeaWorld. That's not in Anaheim. Why is San Diego?
Lalo na
See here, San Diego Zoo. What is it doing in Anaheim?
nasa kalagitnaan ng train sa Long Beach Boulevard.
Kartela kahapon sa ba ano ba? Hindi ibang iba na tong kartela na Cypress na ito nung pinupunta
Oh,
ka
there's
natin.
Inside Out. Yeah.
Oh, puno na
Inside.
yan ngayon. May
Puro
mga church,
commercial,
may mga
yeah.
commercial. Ano,
That's Disney.
Costco, nakapuno
Oh yeah,
doon.
sa likod nung hotel namin yung Costco
Inside
at Trader
Pa
Joe's.
doon kami, Costco namin yan noon.
Yan pala yun.
Oo.
Ngayon,
Okay, so we're going to the Queen Mary. Yeah, we're gonna see the.
Pa-prewihin ka niyan.
pero iside ko yan.
Nalagyan na 605, sinuni kasi kinuha ang jacket.
Wait, it's Martin Luther King.
Okay. Sabi ko na,
Martin.
sana yung
Oh,
isa.
Kasya pa
Martin
kayo
Luther
dyan.
King
Oo,
Day. Yeah.
Kasi kayo
Ako lang ang gitna kasi ito ay
Pinaupo
may...
ko si Daniel dyan sa likod
Yan,
kasi
yan,
gusto
spaceship
ko
box.
dito.
Ay, hindi siya. Ay, yung Nemo, maluoy siya sa ino.
Ako, ni,
Oo.
mataba ako. You are only small.
Paliit lang naman.
May picture ni
Oh, this is
Angkol,
under
ini
nail, nail
mayroon
spa.
ako. Ay, nabaya
Meron
ini.
din ako kaya.
Kaya doble na tayo, kaya ini na sa imo na ini.
Okay.
Yung palago.
Just
Ay, muntik na nahulog sa dito sa stairs kay Hubog. Ini ho, di ba? Oo, okay.
Sa amin para hubog yun.
Oo.
Sitwasyon ng ano pati.
Where the magic school bus. This is the magic school bus.
Sitwasyon ng
Cruising
traffic.
downtown
Kung
beach.
minsan
We're
going to the
it's only ano ng
It's the
time.
magic school bus.
Sa side street lang ako
1:40 kaya hindi pa rush
We're going
hour.
to field trip, yeah.
Before 3. Hopefully. We used to live here. Years ago, dito nga siya nag-aral eh. Dito siya nag-aral sa Long Beach.
hindi pa ganito itsura.
Hindi pa ganito kabisi. Oo, ngayon ay sobra na.
So kabisado mo pala din.
Oo, kabisado na mo.
Pwede ka pumasok doon
40 years,
ka.
20 years, 30 years ago.
May shortcut ako dyan.
At diyan kami kinasal sa Long Beach. Oo, kaya
Mga binggi ko na
Hey,
namatay.
that's the fire. That's the fire that's going to the LA Palace.
Mga knee-brace ba? Kuya, okay.
See, we're seeing that.
that's
That's the newest.
kahandab. May mga
Oh, there,
arthritis
see,
talagang
fire.
kahandab. Ikaw, wala ka pa?
That's going to the
Wala ka pa
fire.
arthritis, Mena?
See, oh,
Nilun, 50 plus.
Hindi, early ako, mayo na ako ni pain. Oo, when I was on my
Ako
40s.
na-injure.
We're gonna see the
Kaya
destruction.
nagkanipin ako.
Mayroon na ako 40, mayroon na ako arthritis.
Pagpa-U-turn ma.
Hindi ko niintindihan.
Yung arthritis ko nakuha ko sa trabaho ko sa hotel. Kasi libre pagkaon niya, puro mantika.
Pork, parati pork. Oo.
Mantika.
St.
Graduate
Joseph.
ng St. Joseph. Kaya bago nga ni Ronald, mga classmate ko mami, mga taga St. Pilipina. Ako St. Pilipina, di Pilumina yon.
Kaya naging kaya nga
Look at
sabi
that
ko
building there.
Pilipina,
Looks like it
naging
has
Pilipina
goggles.
kasi puro Pilipina ang
There's
estudyante.
glasses.
Parang exclusive
Like that.
school ng Pilipinas.
Weird.
So, just straight.
Straight, tapos left
Brown
doon
pants
sa may
pala.
pag-abot sa Nisto de Vega. Yun na may stop light. Left ka doon.
Oh, yun na. Sa
Oh, look at this
certificate na
bridge.
pinapalit.
There's a bridge around.
Recalculate na.
Look at this bridge here.
Ito na yun, ano?
Tapos mag-left ka
It's a
na.
bridge.
Tapos right ka sa
Ito yung anak ko.
Maganda
Limisi.
sana kung mag-Carson Street.
Yan yung
para
kanyang
makita mo
boyfriend.
yung
Ito
school
naman
ng
yung
Big
asawa.
City College.
Panganay
Yung
ko.
nandun sa Pilipinas. I'm
Nandun
sorry,
sila
Daniel.
College.
Oh, wow.
Liberty
Ito sa
Park. What
Philippines
is
ba
park
to?
is this? Where the Liberty Bell is?
Restaurant yata. Restaurant.
Sa Legazpi yan.
Oh, wow. Gaspi, sobra ang traffic. Grabe sa nagkanto kami doon.
Piko na, bisa
So-
pa sa Naga. na nagtrapiko.
Grabe!
Kamo na nagta-travel papuntang Mindanao, yung mga
Puno
Look at all
ng
those,
motorsiklo,
cameras
dagano na
there. Look at all those,
tricycle sa alin. Mas daghan pa
Oh,
dito
no, see,
ang
look at all
tricycle
the
na
cables.
Sobra sa dami ng tricycle.
hindi ka makagalaw.
Tapos yung
Although umagi ka mo sa
Exhaust.
mismo sa downtown.
Sa downtown mismo ng Legazpi City,
Kasi
doon kami.
may diversion din naman sa labas.
Ano easy?
Ha?
Kamatay la mga few months ago.
Si Q5 na gordo, di ba? Ang anak ni Kuan.
Si Mano, Mana Twinor asawa, si Mano Isig,
Mano
namatay
Luis,
na.
Mano
Oh, Manu Luis, ang anak na babae. Ang asawa si
Ay,
Parang papaano pala yun?
nagbaban. So, yun
Look at
ang
that
aming
park.
driver.
Tinitingnan ko lang yung
Sinakay
mga
namin
That's a
sa
partner.
yung
sa,
traffic.
sa ferry boat, tapos drive niya kami all the way from Matnog, all the way doon sa mga Naga, mga kung saan-saan hasta sa maabot namin ang Mayon Volcano. Pero dumaan muna kami ng Legazpi City. Ay, sabi ko,
Na traffic ako.
grabe, this is different nung nagkuhan kami ng exam
Saan
na.
kayo sa Kuan sa Mayon Volcano sa Naga?
Kaya nagdaan kami doon kami dinaan ng
Sa
asawa
Daraga,
ni
papunta sa Daraga.
dinaan kami doon ng asawa ni Q5, yun ang
Look at that
driver
robot
namin ng
there.
van eh. Malay ko naman kung saan niya.
Something done. It's
Yan sa Tunitina. 15
Kaya lang naipit kayo sa
the
traffic.
cans. The cans
Yun
up
ang
there.
natasabi
Sabi ko,
doon.
grabe na
All the
inina.
cans that
Ay,
robot.
mas grabe na isim ng Legazpi.
Look at this. Where is the stoplight?
And
Yellow
that was
there.
20 plus
Stop
years
the-
ago.
see, the Lamo. Like the Lamo,
sa Mindanao. Yan, okay
the
na.
blue.
Nagkano na ang freeway
House.
sa Samar.
Oo.
May Pacific Coast Highway na.
Ah,
Pakanto sa from Allen to Borongan.
Wow, open na yun.
Mga Kamay, mga ang mga interior na lugar, Las Navas,
Oras.
Buhan.
Mabuti pa si Kalunang.
Alam niya yan.
Mas updated pa sa ako.
Gin-update ako ni Bugrak kay dinarabag ako katubig.
Alam mo yung
Greenhouse.
progress ibig sabihin
Look at that
nun?
greenhouse.
Kaya doon?
Hindi ko
Ah, mamaya sabihin ko
Green truck. Look at the green truck.
parang hindi maganda yung tulog.
experience namin sa batang
Sino pa
yan.
nag-ngaral sa tatay ano?
Baka si tatay mo, kasi yun ang mayuga-yuga permi eh. Pero,
Pero tunyi kayo.
or baka yung tatay
Yellow
niya.
house.
Oo.
Yellow house.
Yeah, so all the cousins call him Bugrak because
Sabi ko na nga ba,
grabe.
hint
May
na-
tunog ano, may
Oh,
tunog.
grabe yung bata na to. Sige ang tae, kahit na.
Mga bansaga, tingnan
Look at that. Where's the flamingo na? There's a giant
And in
flamingo.
Jeffrey, we call him Laway.
Ako rin eh. Ang tawag sa akin, agsing.
Oh,
Di ba naalala niyo, agsing?
Oo.
Ano yung agsing?
Malalaki ang mata kasi.
Yung kuha, di ba?
Yung
Sa
tuwag.
palago.
Kalunang.
Look, it's Southern California flowers. Southern
Sa
California.
hanggang ngayon.
Southern California, Southern California burn
Boy,
flowers.
may
They're all
tawag-
burned by the
Si
fire.
Boy may tawag let si tatay doon, di ba? Narumduman niya.
Fire, something called fire.
I remember now. I remember.
Ano na ibig sabihin na?
Yun, ibaliwat na rin. Kasi yung parang short niya
Ang
dati.
shorts niya.
Favorite yan siya ng mga damit.
May favorite na siya.
There, California. That's the
Yan,
state of
and
California
then
picture.
he loves loose, very loose ang pants niya.
Yung panghapon ba na short, mga panghapon. Sabi pa ni tatay, ba yun na short kay pero may nagluluwas siya yung galho.
Grabe. Ay, nako yung mga...
Tutot na.
Kaya nga, tutot hanggang ngayon.
Oh, look at that gold bus
Kaya
there.
lahat
Golden,
na ng
golden
mga
red bus,
pinsan,
golden bus.
gano'n na rin ang tawag namin, tutot. Si tutot, yan to dito.
Si Ate Loling, ano pa eh, buhay pa eh.
Oh my goodness, look at this building. What is
they
this, a
keep us
jail?
together,
Oh
mga
my goodness, this
pinsan.
is a
We're very
jail.
close
Si
knit.
Ate Loling
There's
talaga.
some prisoners inside. There's some dangerous criminal.
Yeah. Ano na ini, Lakewood?
Nadumduman pa ni Nunin.
Lakewood na.
Tao na mga, kung sino-sino mga abnormal na mga tao.
Kainom,
What does that sign
kainuman
say
niya
there?
pati, di ba?
This is clean
Kainuman niya
LA.
sa tuba, kay wara man siya
Look at this
nakakainuman.
drains to the
Kaya
ocean.
yung mga yun na kaniya
That-
mga
that drain goes to the
alaga,
ocean.
kainom,
Or that goes to
katagay-tagay niya
Nemo,
sa tuba.
Grabe yung tabako noon sa bahay niya. May shelves talaga tambak doon, grabe.
Pumupunta pa
That
sa
drain there, see
Isabela
that
yung
drain goes
sila
to-
eh, para magbakal ng
That's
Isabela
what they're saying.
sa Mako.
Oo, famous yung...
Hindi
Look
mo
at
yan
that tree there. Why is
mapapagamit
it
ng talagang sigarilyo na binibili. Siya
Isabela
mismo,
na tabako.
siya mismo ang gumagawa. Yun, niro-roll niya, dinadry niya. Iba daw
Look at
ang
that house. It looks like an
iba daw
elbow
ang
and that's
aroma,
elbow like
iba
that.
ang bagsak kung yun, hindi siya, kung hindi
Weird.
siya
Look at
ang
my house.
gumawa.
Oh, another greenhouse. A green. And then the blue house.
Yeah, very traditional yun siya.
And then the yellow house.
Tapos pag yung mga Holy
Ininom
Week,
nila.
Greenhouse.
oo, tuba.
Another greenhouse. Olive greenhouse. Yellow house.
Tapos yung kanyang traditional
Sa Daraga, ang doon kami sumasakay
sa Legazpi mismo doon kami.
The blue
ang
house.
daanan.
And the blue,
Sa
look at this
Tutuban
blue.
naman sa Manila.
Mm,
So
yeah,
maliliit
yeah.
pa kami.
Tutuban.
With the
Dinadala
blue
niya.
pants there.
Nag-aaral pa si Tutut at saka may naiiwan lang isa sa amin. Ganun. So nakapalda yun siya
What
na
are those
mahaba.
things on top of the roof there?
Yung
Those are-
traditional.
those
Siya
things.
na dalawa tatlong
Those
bata.
weird
Kay ano daw
hats.
siya, Rhino.
Those are weird
Oo,
hats.
ray na ng alin.
Ng kabakungan sa mahog.
Yung boxes ng mga dala, mga saging, mga
Siya na
yung itim niyang outfit na
sis.
parang mosquito net.
Silva.
parang ganun kasi
There is the
mayroon
blue
yung
pants, the
shawl
blue
siya
pants.
na
Look at-
pinapatigas eh.
Napa-army
Oh,
roll
yeah,
na
yeah.
yun.
Para nakashave. No,
Oo, yan, matigas.
Oh, that robot arm there. It's like that. Don't go near there. Oh, there's a hammer. There's a giant hammer. It's gonna.
Grabe yun na pag naka-army doon.
Kasi dito ang Atlanta.
Left side.
Malapit na tayo sa
This is Lakewood.
And then look at that red robot there
Lakewood
behind
ito.
it in the bushes.
Yeah,
That's a
in
hook.
between ini, Nanceritos and
Look at that
Long
house
Beach.
there. That's a
Ang mga
mess.
bahay dito, mga
Maliliit ang
There's a guy's a policeman.
Yeah, the traditional.
Beach. Mga balay na mo sa sa una. Be,
There, look at that thing.
May balay
Oh,
ba
probably
ako
look at that yellow.
BF
What's that hook?
Homes.
Ire. Yun ang pa rin. Pabaniyo yan. to na
Manufactured homes.
yun.
So we're going to see the fire. We're gonna see the destruction of the.
Mga flat house sa Donato din sa California.
With the LA, we saw the fire through.
uniform yan, mababa lang, walang
Oo,
high-rise,
maliliit.
ano?
Yeah, kasi ayaw nila.
So, certain, ano.
Certain.
May earthquake.
Ganun din babagsak
Pa,
din.
may
No matter what.
earthquake.
So they have
One
the
na yung
rolls
nira,
and
mga
those
building nila
bolts.
yan, may earthquake regulator.
Bigger. It's the big.
Hirap din kung
Worse than the
intensity
earthquake,
na
the
yun.
fires.
So,
Worse.
Imura yun ng mga movie stars. Huge houses.
Grabe yung Palisades, ang mga $1 million
Yeah,
homes ng mga celebrity yan eh.
Pero may mga balay na kahuna ko nakuan ko na wipe out ko
The Palisades.
Ang kanira.
Ano?
Ang center intact.
Ha?
Baka bato.
Hindi
Kaya pala.
Meron sila sariling pa nila. Firefighter.
Yeah, right.
Ayan, firefighter.
yung mga
They said that
tanker sa paribasa
it was an arson. It was
Sudlan sa
some
mga
arson terrorists.
gasolina.
Fire.
Tubi ang libutang
Maybe the
nila.
same people who bombed
Expect
the cyber. It was ISIS.
Kumao ngayon na nag
Kaya pala.
Grand Wara sulod kay
There
gibubos
was a
sa tankers.
because there was a drone.
Nadadaan ako noon doon.
They put the
pagka
bomb in the.
yung-
Oh, look at the skeleton there. Skeleton there. Skeleton there.
Delikado tumong.
Dead. Someone died.
Ikikitid pati ng
Where's the
kalsada.
skeleton from the bird?
Yun talaga sila nagtago dun sa mga hill niya.
Or that skeleton there? Did you see? Look at that ugly fence.
Bakit yung
Why is it all black?
Very
The
strong
other one was
daw
blue, but
yung
this one is all black, dark
Ipo ang mga hangin dun.
wood.
Pero may nag-arson kasi daw.
Ay, ang iba may arsonist na dito.
Yes, it was an arsonist that caused that.
They're excited with the fire. Magang psychiatric illness pag arson.
Sakit yan eh.
Baka
Sakit sa
nakadrag
tuktok.
pa yun.
Oo, yun.
They get excited. Sige pan-announce na. There's Santa Ana when coming. Ay sus, nag-ready na si Arson.
Yeah, you're an arsonist niyan. Excited. Excited ang mga arsonist pag mga windy na ang
It
Santa
was-
Ana.
Atlantic.
Ganon din ang ginawa nila noon sa Bay Area eh, yung malapit sa kuan yung affluent area rin. Tinatarget nila yung mga mayayaman eh. Yung
May sira talaga
Nasira,
ba? Tapos
mga-
ipaplasta pa sa
oo,
Facebook.
organization nila yan eh.
Ipopost pa nagpapa para maano lang.
Nagpapakuliyatan talaga para
At
maging
saka
sikat.
yung maging sensational,
sikat.
yeah, sensational,
They feel
talk of the,
gratifying sa kanila yun. Sino naka-dress na like firefighter.
Ayos talaga.
talagang excited yun.
Excited.
Oo.
Look at that one there. It's purple and red and orange.
Okay lang. Di mo nakilaan.
Oh, ganun
Look at this
din.
building,
Ganun
oh, it's
din
big.
mga Punjabi, ganun din. Kasi yan sila ang ginagawa ng mga Punjabi. Pumupunta sa Mexico, doon sila
what's
nagpa-fly and then they just cross the border.
Looks like a
And then, ayun,
donkey.
diretso na, either here or Canada.
Horse.
Atlantic na yun eh. Matumbong mo an ocean.
And then di na po
Atlantic itong
kasi
nadaanan natin ngayon. Hindi ko na makilala.
Ito ay Atlantic Spinols ito.
Talaga nagbibinta sila.
Ito yung Big Spinol area na.
Yeah. Yeah, di have the
Spinols area na
money
ini
to
Bibi ho.
invest.
Yung
Bixby na ini?
oh, na
Hindi ko na. It's different already.
Ano yung office na mo, Nera Romelo?
Kaso na si Street pala to.
First bank?
Hain yun ang office niyo.
O yan naman, may na-building na yun.
Tuturo niya forward.
Oh.
After sinila
Look at that guy there.
Building na po yun. Ini na to.
Did Romel bought this building? Rent pa rin?
This is when the guy.
Pinuntan niya yung building niya doon sa kabila. Si Rente this one here.
Kinas na yung
Yung sa harapan ng Christian church nila. Di ba Christian yan sila? Yung mga church members niya, yung mga empleyado niya.
Aling church yun?
Juan, corner, ano ba?
May,
Okay.
It starts with C. Hindi yung where we got married.
sa may Long Beach,
Di ba Christian
Long
church
Beach
yung...
and Wardlaw.
Oh, yun. Iba.
Pacific,
Across ng ating church.
Pacific Avenue.
Oo, magkatabi na.
Oo. Di ba mga churches? So,
Malaki yung church na yan nila eh.
It starts with
He was
C.
here,
Yun
man.
ang paparty.
Oh, kaya pala
The wedding
doon
was here.
pinaparte ni Romel ang
Kanila yan
Home.
kanilang company. Okay.
Bay Towers.
Baby towers. It's a baby tower.
Bixby na yun eh, di ba?
Look at big buildings.
Iba na ang hitsura.
Ang itsura lain na.
Ano naman?
Dito yan. Nag-graduate yan dito sa Longtura.
Beach.
Oo, Long Beach na ito.
Long Beach na yun. Mula dun sa Atlantic, Long Beach na yun.
Malapit sa Atlantic yung Cedar, di ba?
Oo.
Malapit na ba to sa border ng Mexico?
Hindi.
Ay, malayo.
San Diego yun.
Pupunta tayo sa San Diego 2 hours away from here.
More than
Border yun. Pagbalik ninyo, punta tayo doon. That's another 2 hours drive. Magubot doon ngayon. There's a lot of that's
Hindi ba
traffic.
nasunog yung...
Oo, yun ang nasunog.
Nasunog, di ba?
Operation area si Rania.
Yeah, they don't allow actually entrance over
Hulihin ka
there.
doon at meron.
Yeah, kasi
Look at this, a
naglo-loading
green
na.
dog.
Mga take
Scare.
advantage na mga nagluluto.
Yun naman, yun
Oh,
another group din yan na may
Green
excitement
dog.
din. O tapos na
It's a
ang
green
Arson,
dog.
after that another group naman ngayon na mga na mga looters naman.
Isip ko
Train.
baka kasabwat
It's a
yung
dog.
Baka.
Kopech.
Kasi parang kuan ba yan eh, para bang
Di kay sa ato kuno.
sunod ang
Sa ato bagaan mga insect nagsusunog baga kuno.
Oo,
Insurance
permi.
naman
Kung
yun.
kuha na sira,
Look at
kung
the corner, red car.
lugi na yung kanilang
base.
negosyo.
Bago ni porno kay di ba firefighter yan si Manong kaya Kuya
Say
Efren.
sucks.
Oh.
Bago na sa punta ni Kuya Efren kay mga kasama.
There, that's where the arson is
lahat
right
yan,
here.
every town
Hey, this is
kay
worth it.
very famous ang mga Pilipino
Oh, look at
sa
that thing there. There's a
grocery,
there's
pagkain.
oil there.
Oh, ito na
Mga
yung
seafood
ano, freeway.
city.
Yan na, puro five.
405.
Okay.
Aram mo na to
South
ka.
na.
Yeah. Seafood, every town na may mga Pilipino, may Seafood City, may Pacific
Oh,
Island,
May Goldilocks,
may Goldilocks,
Jollibee,
may Red Ribbon.
Red Ribbon.
Kakain na lang kami ng presko. Presko lang.
Oo, kung buni mas danis panganian amo dito kay export quality.
Wala, yung mga native la sa ato, kagaya ng mga pili nuts, syempre namimiss mo yun.
Yung lato.
Yung lato,
Oh,
yun
yung
lang.
crab doon.
Yeah, he experienced
Yung
that,
crab doon
yung
sa inyo
lato.
na masarap.
Bago kang bubrag na ay para pagbisa yun ng mga bulagsong na
Bulagsong.
Mao ni papakaon niya sa kaniya
Look
mga
at this
guests.
fence.
Ha?
Look at that
Intatarapok
dispenser.
pa nato yan to.
Hindi ba yung alason yun?
Oh, there's a-
wala
Look at
iba
that.
ang taste.
You see that the fence is all burned by the. Oh, and the arson is
Ang
left out
lato
there. That's the
talaga.
thing that.
Maninipis
Oo,
ang
yun ang the best.
This is that weapon there.
kami niyan.
There, that thing that-
lalangoy.
There,
Oo,
destruction.
we just
We're seeing it
go
right here
there
close. This
and
we see the
dive
news.
and then-
There, and there's.
Hindi kasi si
See,
Auntie
oil.
nangunguha sa
This hammer.
gulaman niya.
Oo.
Gagawin niya
They're
gulaman, di ba?
Oo, yung kanya special yan.
Oil everywhere here.
Very
This,
kwan talaga natural.
this place is like Arabia, Saudi Arabia. This place.
Naiwan din sa Long Beach.
Ang mga oil pump kasi puro na building. Nilagyan na. Eh lalo na nung PS sinara yung pipeline kaya di ang dami nang tinanggal. Oh.
Puro na ini hospital hasta dito na sa may
Ay, wala man
7th
ini dito
Avenue.
sadto.
Magkatakip na an St. Mary na.
Memorial harayoon man niya to
Ito
sadto.
palang area na to dati may exploration ng oil no?
Oo. Oo.
Iba ang likod ni Rarim, ang likod ni Auntie Arseng, kaya mo yun ang nintindugan
There's
sa
oil
balay
there.
ni Rarime, ni Tata Papi, nga ito naging istorya ko na naasawa sa Nagura.
Nagaganon.
May oil pump
Oh, may
yan doon
nakita,
na
may
kanina.
nakita ko isa doon.
It
Na-
is.
Nagihan nato.
Marami yan dati dito. Tapos yung other, I don't know kung Shell or ano ba ang
Shell yan,
Shell yata kasi alam
Ang common lang,
Arko ba?
refinery din yun.
yeah, yun ang kanyang trabaho. Yeah.
Diba shipyard siyang
Dati, tapos nag-move siya kasi somebody offered him promoted at saka nagkuan siya, gusto talaga niya na more kuan excitement kasi oil refinery. So nag-start siya from the bottom, yun ang kwento niya sa akin. And then now he's become foreman, nasa management na siya. Yeah, so
saan ko man ang sa Carson.
yeah, dati muna daw siya Arco, tapos na-move siya sa Shell.
Ay bago ko sa traffic siya sa
Diria. Sa refinery yan siya.
Di ba kaya nag-eskwela siya, electrical engineer?
Mao yun, kay gusto niya yun.
Pareho para kamununin.
Kaya nga puro engineer, electrical. Kaya para niya makuha niya yun, ma-apply niya yung kanyang pinag-aralan.
Lumayan ka muna electrical.
Muntik na ako nakapasok nung labas ko ng Navy.
Siguro mga
Tagal yan
Oh, look at this.
matagal dito
See, then the.
Bayaran na nilang ng
Baka
This is
low income pa kayo.
dinidevelop
low
lang kasi
income
baka
housing.
Na nga ni Kilan dati ko
pangit
natrabaho.
na pangit na siguro ang
Kaya
ano,
ay naku noon ng
Sobra.
bagong salta ako dito in the 80s, napaka-rundown nitong
At
Long Beach
nagbabarila
na
ng
to.
mga tao dyan.
Grabe.
Diba, nalala mo 7-Eleven. Alam
that,
mo
a
buhay
castle.
pag 7-Eleven sa kanto.
Look at castle, that house.
May hold upper sa tago sa amo hospital.
part ng tourism, di ba?
Si Marilyn
Ina-upgrade nila
nakatira
yung
kami banda ron.
This is
Pauwi yan
only.
may nagbabari lang pulis at magnanakaw.
Yung kasi may nag-hold upan sa bank. Kaya ako so happy I'm driving, ini-intercept ng kahagingan sa taas ng aking kotse. Oo, kasi
Buragan ako makakadtukan anti arsing ba? Sa lugo dito sa ay klugodan harani ay sa pier.
oo, kay historic.
Ay nan ako first job. Na diri ko nakilan yung
Hindi mo nakilala yung trabaho.
Ang kuan sa Madre, yun no.
Hindi maganda
Yung mga madre dyan.
Mga Madre
Pare.
dyan.
Hospital nga, no?
Oo.
At least,
St. Mary's Hospital ini.
Yan ang mga original hospital ng Long Beach.
pang ilang generation ka dyan na Pinoy? Pinay.
Diyos ko, daghan.
Daghan.
Maging bakal na baga.
Kaya may mga 1960s, mayroon na din yung mga Pilipina.
May an old Bauer building na mo. Yun ang original ho, yun ho, sa Linden.
Parang kulungan ah.
Yun na na mo.
Parang
Ano na yung lugar na ng mga bata doon kasi malapit na sa Cal State. Ang gaganda na yung mga ano dyan.
In 800 feet, turn right.
Yan kan ho, First Street na yun eh. Mau na yun eh.
Saan? Dito na?
Doon sa Ocean.
Ocean.
Okay. Ay, oh, yeah. Ba't nga pala dito?
First Street pa lang. Nakalimutan mo na.
Wala na.
Sa Ocean ka.
40 years ago.
Ito
Ayun na,
nga.
ocean na.
Tama na to. Turn right na ito.
Pasagudong ka na dito sa dulo.
parang matagal na rin di kayo pupunta rito.
Oo,
Pero
naku.
itong Long Beach Tower
More
na
than
yan.
20
ever
years
since
na
nandito
siguro.
Oh,
yan.
yeah.
20
Landmark na
years
yan.
na po.
Landmark yan.
Oo.
May yan Linden Street. Dire-diretso yung
Okay.
sa St. Mary.
Magle-left turn lang somewhere at island.
Oo, dun sa may end, sa Queen Mary.
Ang sinasabihan yan eh.
Si Jeffrey.
Si Jeffrey asawa na.
Oo nga pala,
Si
si
Ike
Ike.
hindi pa ever bachelor.
Oh, yeah.
Buti na lang si Mary Grace matyaga sa kanya.
Christian yan kayo.
Oo.
Tapos yung mga anak ni Mary Grace, okay sa
Ay,
kanya.
mga kuwan na, mga
College na, di ba?
kaasawa na nga ata ang eldest ni Mary Grace. eh.
Ito na, mga hotels na inidini ng Long Beach na mga high-end hotels.
Manila
Oo,
Hotel.
mauna ini ano.
Tingnan
Parang
mo.
Rojas Boulevard.
Pupuros ng kwan. Baka nakadrag yan.
Ocean Center.
Maganda na dito compared nung long time ago.
20 plus years ago.
Wells Fargo na
We haven't been here for more than 20 years, Dad. Tagal na.
May iba na ang mga building binago na
Iba na.
upgrade na. Hanggang St. Vincent. Yun naman,
Papunta sa San Pedro
St.
naman
Vincent
yun,
Bridge.
the
Yun ang
bridge.
unang-una, World Trade Center, something
Oo,
like that. World
yeah.
Trade
Just the
Center.
things.
Sarap
Na
kayo.
ginawa na nilang mga park dito, yung mga dati mga nakakatakot na area.
Kung may time pa tayo doon, ikuha natin siya, i-cross natin siya sa St. Vincent.
Okay,
Bridge.
yeah.
To San Pedro.
Doon nagdadak
San Pedro
ang
ba?
mga cruise line.
Yeah.
Doon sila nagdadak, siraan mga
Yan, di ko
mga
na,
seaman.
di ko yung nakita.
Bago yan, bago
Bagong
yan.
building.
Renovate nila yan.
Yeah, look at the
Sila sa lungsur man baga si Mary
Turn left
Grace.
ka daw dito.
O yan, Queen Mary Way. Yan.
Di ba doon ang trabaho ni Mary Grace?
Siya ay nasa accounting
Oo.
department
Oo.
na. Gabasan hinold ang container last year.
Yeah, nung nag-COVID, nako.
Pero hinold sila.
Yeah, hinold nila yung mga kuha.
Kaya wala man magbayad, kaya gina-interesan na sa lungsur man ang kananapuan.
Kaya dito ako.
Dito ka sa may Queen Mary Way.
Sa Queen Mary muna, balik na lang tayo sa St. Vincent
Sa
Bridge.
shoreline.
Sa left side, ano?
Oh, left.
Mabasa agad.
Yeah, diretso lang to, oh. Queen Mary cruise ships.
Pagkat ko sa waterfront hotel. Sa right.
They're doing it to the ships.
Ayan.
Nakalimot kaming hindi pumupunta dito eh. Oh. Tapos yun yung shoreline village, di ba? Yan bang village na ginawa nila, di ba? Port pa rin. Oh, yan yung port.
Oh,
Oh.
look at that. There's
Shoreline. And
Banda roon niya.
Eh ano, Queen Mary to the left.
tama na yun.
Ito,
Okay
yeah.
na to.
Take the exit.
Diyan.
Cruise terminal.
Diyan.
Laki pala ng port dito.
Nung nagkuhan tayo, natin dinala sinakuhan, di ba? Sinamato. Oh, So that was the last time we were here. Kaya ilang years na yun?
Bago pala ako din sa Nubaya. Nagkarani naman kami din sa mga kaklase ko. Kaya may
Hindi, yung sa yung mga taga-alin tayo ni Napat noong.
Dinala ba niyo dito?
Oo, kami
Kayo lang?
dala na ako si Matunan sa mga taga-Australia.
Yung mga taga-Australia.
Kayo lang?
Oo, dinala namin kasi bago sila mag-fly to Canada.
Okay, Queen
Basta
Mary.
General Parking.
Parking. Okay.
May bayad ang parking nila.
Supposedly,
Committed na.
Okay, you're gonna enter the pool.
for 20 minutes wala daw bayad.
Okay, good.
Madali lang naman tayo.
Hotel ini.
Ginawa na nilang hotel. Yung ship na yan kasi hindi na safe to go up ocean. Ginawa na nilang historic.
I-press.
Operational siya sa hotel.
Oho, pero yung
Kita mo?
yung ano yun, yung engine wala na kasi
Hindi yata ng card.
matagal na. Ha?
Hindi. Wala pang press?
Walang press.
Maglalagay tayo ng credit
It's not-
card.
Baka dun sa kabila.
Pareho
Saka
lahat.
naman kasi
Pareho naman lahat. Parking rates.
Oh, look at that, there's a squirrel.
Siguro they'll
Look
just
at that.
take your
That's where there's a squirrel.
your credit card info and then kung anong oras ka umalis, saka lang nila
Yung sun.
nakuha niya yung ticket niya.
Oh, ito.
Dalhin mo baka meron dyan ma-validate.
Malay mo.
yeah, kung magkuan tayo.
May pang senior dyan.
Oo, kaya nga eh.
Yeah.
Kanina sabi ko, hindi ko naisip na ako ay senior na. Yung waitress mismo, tinanong ako, are you over 65? Ay, I forgot, mayroon na pala tayo senior discount.
Senior
Dapat pala
lang
ako
kami,
nagsabi
kaya
lang
kami
ako
O kaya nga eh, pero bata ka naman tingnan.
Hindi, tinanong niya ako.
Di man lahat may senior discount.
Parking entrance.
There. That's the Queen Mary ship. Oh, that's
Sunday, mahalo. 45.
look at this tree. This is a weird looking. It's all curved like that.
My branch.
This green thing here. There's a green robot. It's a robot. It's so weird.
Ngayon may gas turbine na.
Picture tayo doon.
Maganda, walang harang. At may bangka.
What is in that dome there? Oh, what is that dome there?
Maglakad tayo.
It's a weird. It's a. It's a weird. The weird golf ball. The giant golf ball. What is that? It's a big giant balloon.
Kwarto.
May mga history, may mga...
Look at that green truck there. It's a robot. See the robot arm there? It's the Titan. That's it. What is that? There's chains there. And they're putting chains on that robot. It's on a leash. It's like a dome.
The whole ship, nakikita.
That's a big robot. It's a giant grasshopper. Giant green grasshopper.
Naubos doon ang pamakan nila.
Picture natin siya dito.
Oh,
Oh, yun.
Ayun pala.
this one.
Okay, so this.
Wala mang isa to. Kapag kami nato nila media, wala mang andito na siya. New York. Ano New York? This is Los Angeles.
Oh, naalala mo yung submarine.
Yeah, I remember.
Yun ang entrance. You pay there. When you go in.
Sudlan na sa
Ay, kalawangin naman yan. Baka makuhaan tayo dyan. Kaya nga, matitalo.
Kasunod ang pwede. May imukuhan ko lubid.
Nakunta dito.
That's the Russian submarine.
In-experiment ko ka ng Amerika.
There's the Anchor. There.
Nakapasok kami dyan.
All the buildings on Long Beach. There, that's the ocean. That's the ocean. That's the Pacific Ocean.
Nakakapasok pa rin.
Mabakal ka
May
na.
ticket.
Oh, this is going to be a weird year. 2025 is going to be a weird year. Yeah, that's the Russian. There, you see, that's the Russian summer.
Yan, ang ganda ng view dito.
Where's that? There's a airplane.
Sira ay, kura matulog.
The robot there. I saw a robot. What's that robot there?
Yung dati nilang fitness.
This look exit hotel designs.
Palibangan ang ticket niya, may bago sila na. So, dito na park.
Okay yun.
Ang kasad.
Oo, yung mga blue crabs. Siraan may mga blue crabs doon, di ba? Sa Kalbayog.
Di,
Sa ano yun?
kasad.
Oh, kasag. Oh,
Ang
kasag.
blue crab sa ano yun? Sa Giwan.
Sa Giwan. Oh.
Iwan.
Blue crab yun sa Maryland, naghanong.
Mas malalaki sa Maryland. Malalaki ang blue crabs nila.
Kanto ka karatina na, takasan ka mo sa crab dito. Buso.
Ito na,
Buso.
saan ka nagkanto kami?
Mga, di ba, kuan niya to mga extra large na mga
Oo, ang
crabs na
lalaki
natin
nun
sa Bulacan.
Oo. Sa Canada naman, marami ang rock crab nila. Red rock crab. Yun ang, darago.
King crab.
Oo, ayun na. May yung padagano na.
Is this a two-way hockey? Mamadali ang mga yan at schedule nila.
Oo.
And there's the beach.
Si Unang, and then, Jeffrey's family. My sister is away at 2 o'clock in the morning in Philippines. So, this is Jeffrey's family. Ni-live ko yung sa restaurant.
That's in the pool. There's the restaurant.
Another daughter page. Hello, this is live in the Philippines. My sister is awake 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Hi, Paige. Kaya sa church ni na Pimpay.
So di ko na siya padarhan.
Oo, okay, may trabaho na.
Si Awan naman may trabaho yan. Kulit ko pa.
Sidekick na yun. Nagdudubol dip. Kaya imo sweldo daw dito kan tatay nanay niyo sa iya.
Kay bago king pauli bago ako kay bago. Siguro hindi nira ako pag sweldo. Para date ka man na sunaw.
Ipaparagas na sila niya sa boyfriend. Magkunong nga siya.
Oh, may boyfriend na doon.
Ang udyoton sa to si Chabete bago
Yun sa alin dito sa Manila.
Sa alin?
Ang boyfriend niya?
Bago ni
Sabi ni Noel.
Bago ni Noel,
Balabaran.
pabayin na gala yung kay Urang naman yun. Noel, pabayin yun.
Pero ang tagal
Namudyotong
na
si
niya.
Noel yung magdagdag ka pa na ano yan.
Pakainin ka na.
Kuan ba? Parang si
Look.
Tikboy.
Kuan.
Bago ko na ng trabaho sa nanit bago.
Uli na dito sa alim kasi bantayan niya si tatay.
Eh sige, magaliwat ang lantua.
Kaya
Ganito
nga,
naman liwat sa Pasig.
Nauyang ako sa nanay kay
Man siya
nasa
nag-i-start.
Manila.
Magaliwat sa Manila.
Noel.
Kanuel nag-i-start. Sa Irarom ang kanila community sa may Wilmington. Yan. Ito yung fourth, yung mga...
Ito area liwat ang lugar ni Mayon Siraay kay mga barkada sa may mga pusil. Kay Mayon ito area yung lugar.
Parang ano si
That's how he
Ike, ano?
grew
Parang ano no? Brosco, ano?
Brosco yan, oo.
He grew up like that because
Taekwondo,
Eskwela pa sa
and,
Baning.
karate. Karate.
Black belt
Ang
na siya.
ang high school niya. Baning High.
That's a bad area, my
They changed
God.
the support. Nasa loob lang natin.
Bago yan.
Oh, you're gonna go to the green one later.
That's your ways of the green.
Iba yata to eh. Yeah, inad nila po. It's not
Dati wala yan.
20 years o bago to.
Pareho sinihan sa
That's the
Boston.
old one. That's the old one. Yun ang old. That's the old
Sinalo nila ang
Vincent.
Boston. Nagdadak ng mga cruise ship. Bagay ito na
Ibig sabihin si anti-training akit bahay.
Oo.
Akit bago.
Yeah. Siguro mga kakilala ni Auntie Training
train,
sabi
train,
siguro, uy may gwapo ako na
trainer.
kapitan na ipapakilala sa iyo. Yeah, mga taga Carson yan sila eh, na mga byuda eh. Ay may gwapo ako na ipapakilala sa iyo, kapitan na ng cruise ship.
Pinipon sa kusina kay Ryan na puno sa Los Angeles yan sa training. Ayun baga,
Oh,
Carson man lang ito sa mga Pilipino.
community senior associations.
Mas kasi ano din. Hindi na nainip sa akin likod.
Malaking port ha.
Oh, it's huge. It's a big one.
Dahil lang po nakakarating na dyan sa Titan Bridge.
Ano may expansion pa?
Bueno.
May signal light pa pala doon.
Yung papalang
European
Vincent
na-
Thomas Bridge, akala ko
European
yun na
na
yun.
trainer.
Pinagalitan niya support.
Yan yata, yun yung drawbridge. Naalala mo noon, may drawbridge.
Bagong bridge yun.
Ah.
Bagong mga...
Kaya nga, those are new. Yeah.
Entrance.
Nung dumadaan ako dito dahil di ba nagtrabaho sa San Pedro.
Oh, pinocross mo yan.
Hindi ko dinadaan ko, di ba, iniiwan ko lang ng 1 week sa Runa ni Berta.
Yeah, yeah.
Dito ako nagkukulus. Nakalungkot ako sa isang ikaw.
And there's it. Look at all
Every day
the,
mo ay inikinukrosan
Look at
to
all those containers.
sa trabaho mo.
Kaya
look at
nagkukulus ako,
all
kaya
this.
nagkuhong health pa man ako sa
Different colors.
Kasi,
Rona, there's all the
nagkumadali ako
trains.
nag-St. Vincent ako.
Look at that.
These are where the ships,
Yeah, all
Daniel,
the
from
ships.
China are from. Where the, you know,
There's the
deliver
green.
the
There, this is the green.
goods.
Bridge. This is the bridge.
This
This is the bridge.
cruise ship, Princess Cruise.
Caribbean.
Also, all the cruise ships.
to
Caribbean. Oh,
Mexico. Yeah.
Yan ang longshore
Rona,
man.
different colors of.
Those are the
So many
containers,
colors.
Daniel, that goes to the different stores, different
And then the train.
warehouses,
Yeah, there's the train.
Amazon, Timo,
And they put it on the train.
Shein, ano pa?
Amazon.
Amazon,
So that goes to the
Alibaba.
train.
Walmart, Alibaba, lightweight, lightning, kwan, the Shein. Yeah, Rose.
Marshall.
Yeah.
Yeah, to the grocery
Pati
store.
ano,
It goes to the grocery. That's where you can put all the clothes.
Yeah.
yung
That's where everything
supposed to
goes
be
there
a
from
Japanese
China.
brand, they have it manufactured.
China has it all.
All the cars.
Kasi
The
na
cars.
nang gawa
Yeah, the
dito
cars
sa
and the car.
Amerika ang mahal ng labor.
Hindi
Ayan
na
na.
tayo bumaba dyan sa San Pedro
Hindi
Port.
po.
Kita mo, noon yung San Pedro.
Pwede.
Pwede
Yan,
ba doon?
nakita mo.
Oh, Port Socol.
There, there's the bridge.
Oo.
Mag-ride
So-
ka dyan.
Oh, mag-ride.
Yan ang Port Socol.
Ano to? Bantay? Hindi.
Make a U-turn.
Oo.
Di ba,
Kasi baka-
long term.
Look at that. Yeah, there's a
Parking dyan eh.
big
Oh, Daniel, you
biggest-
never been to a cruise, ha? So, me and Daddy, before you were born,
We should go to Acros. Si Ronald ka na
Yeah.
go to Acros.
Ronald-
ay, nagsusuka man yung
That's the
batang
problem.
yan.
She cannot-
Daniel, look at the difference
Oo.
of the size.
Look.
This
Yeah,
you-
look
From
how big it is.
Queen Mary, the very
Queen Mary.
old ship,
Uh-huh.
cruise liner, 1930s. Now, these are the
No, this is the
modern,
modern.
modern
My
cruise
slide.
liners. Yes. Yeah, they have water slide, they have big swimming
We
pool.
have 3 swimming pools.
Oh my gosh, name it.
Princess Cruise has 3 swimming pool on the top.
What is this cruise liner? Walang pangalan.
Yeah, when is that one?
Nagbago yung
What is the-
constellation.
what's the name of-
Sa ano.
And that's a Navy
USS
naval
Iowa.
battleship.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
oh, yes, that's the
didak
USS.
dito pala yung USS.
Yeah, let's go see that. That's the US.
Oo, dito pala nila dinak
Oh.
din. Oo.
So,
Can we make a U-turn towards there? Yeah.
let's see.
Kasi stop doon eh.
Let's see where it will take us.
Or pwede diretso without any
Oh,
plans.
that's the ship. That's the World War II ship.
Masuro
Yeah.
doon sa Iowa.
That's the.
Yung anak may harang.
May harang, hindi
Doon,
pwede.
palikuring ganun yun. Baka pwede magkuha ng ibang.
Ano, U is drop off. U is Iowa drop off. Dito yata.
Doon.
Ah,
Umiikot pa tinong. Andun may mga sasakyan.
Mga sasakyan doon.
okay.
Baka libre pa ang parking.
Maybe.
Baka libre naman.
Ay, sa Monday pa. No advance ka na.
Double ngayon, no? Mayroon cruise ship. Tapos
Oo, doble yan na imod mo.
Di meron pa kayo.
Kanto ka sa kuan. Nanoan sa San Diego nga ni.
Midway naman yun.
USS Midway.
Yeah, Midway.
Yan na binumbahan.
Binomba yon, tapos yung mga
Yun, ikaw, Navy ka doon. Ano yung nasa Jacksonville na ganito?
Hindi ko na alam.
Jacksonville in Florida.
Oo, nagpunta din kami doon.
Merong
Ganito
ganyan
din. Di ba nandun may naval base din
Oo.
ng
Jackson Hole.
No, that's Wyoming, Daniel. That's different.
That's for war. That's not for luxury.
This is for war, Daniel.
Yeah, this is the
For
battle.
war. The battleship of Iowa.
Battleship Iowa here.
Different from Midway, the one you saw in
bayad
San
na yan.
Diego.
Entrance
in
ticketing.
No, this is yeah. There's one in the one with the airplane. That's the one with the airplane.
Ano kung pwedeng mag-park?
Yes.
Walang parkingan. Lahat.
Bakit sarado?
Only when they open it for cruise.
Parking.
For cruise.
Saan ang daanan nito?
sabi daw, boat unattended. Please
Boat.
pull forward.
Self-service. Doon na lang, magkuha na lang, may bayaran siguro doon. Oo, may ticket booth siguro doon.
Ayun.
Ayun. Palabas pala yun.
Look at that green robot. Those green robot eyes.
Hour. Hindi naman tayo tatagal na masyado.
Robot there. It's a robot.
Picture, yan.
Di ba pwede pumasok, di ba?
Ay, ewan ko, baka
Pwede.
sarado.
Doon sa loob pwede.
May bayad, nakalagay, ticketing booth. Diba, 18 man lang bayad na mo. $12 sa Midway. Bagula kami nagkanto bagas ang kasal ni Ronald kay.
Oo nga.
Dara ko si Bilya dito. Inangakat ko na gudso na.
Midway. Yung naghahalik ang Navy at saka ng nurse. Yung estatwa. Mayon man yun sa New York.
Wala si Rason.
Mayroon doon, di ba?
Iyan ang original. Bako. Ay, di na kita makakadto sa Hollywood kasi Marilyn Monroe yadto na sa Palm Springs.
Oo, minog sa Palm.
Lumipat na doon.
Oo, inalis na sa Hollywood. Pasok tayo. Punta tayo sa loob. Para Daniel can see it too. Daniel haven't seen the inside.
This is good.
The Midway, Daniel.
Yeah, he was in the middle.
Oh, ini ang trabahuan niyo doon.
Yeah.
Iba.
Masilbiar.
Iba. Iba yung kanya. Tanungin natin. Outflow.
$2 ka. $2 less an hour.
16 in
Kita I remember
Those are cannons.
That's huge.
See, look, one,
Hindi
two.
naman dapit kay may panding.
Yeah, that's it. Look, look, look at that. Yeah, no, no,
One of the biggest gamit nun.
that's
Sa
big.
taas.
Can you believe it's that big when you go?
May puting dome na gano'n.
Yeah.
Can you believe that's how big?
1,000.
Used to. That's the cannon. Arr!
Kukuhan mo na lang
Oh, yeah.
class.
And the pirates. Pirate cannons. When like a pirate. You go.
Baliktad. Doon tayo dito.
Look at those circles, those balls there. What are those?
May, ayun ang mga ano
Yung
boat.
pala, yung
Ticket
para.
boat, oo. Ticketing boat.
It's not a buster.
Nanon nga rin sininats.
Navigator of the Sea, pero wala yung
Navigator
pangalan
of the
ng
Sea.
crossliner, di ba?
Ano ba?
Mayroon dapat
What's the
Viking, Carnival, wala nakalagay.
Weird. It's a
Oh.
weird one kind of.
Sabi lang sa front, Navigator of the Sea lang.
Navigator of the Seas. Yan. Uy, pa-Mediterranean ini.
Oh, pag Greece.
Oh, libre na.
Oh, okay, very
Thank you,
good.
thank you.
Ah, yung dumadaan yan sa Italy.
Oh,
Sa
ganun ba
Italy
yun?
muna.
Athens,
Oho.
Venice, Lisbon.
Oho, yun. Ginawa yun ni na Loren, yung
Magaling.
kasama ko sa... Oo,
Magaling yun.
Oo, maganda yan.
Oo,
Marami
malayo
kang
ang
pupuntahan.
nararating.
Oo.
Bako man kadto sa atin, makurihon ng kumusunan. Ralakaw
Alam mo,
sa Athens.
pag-
Kay Hili! Ganun.
Duha bago. Ayaw pagkakadto dito kay makurihon ang pagsagka.
Ay, baya. Ang mga tuhod sa mga kuan seniors, arthritis na, di na pwede yun. Kaya, hindi. Yung mga kuan lang, yung mga patag.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto the slip
Athens,
road.
Venice, Lisbon, Portugal ini.
Oh, Danison daw sa Portugal.
Nakakadto naman ako sa Venice.
Pero sa Portugal, yung Lisbon,
Oo.
Danison daw dito.
Mabalik naman kita sa Blue Hills.
Yung other side ng bridge. Tanong natin yung
Turn left onto the slip road.
Terminal Island. That's why nakalimutan ko na yung nga pala yan.
Iniisip
bridge,
na
that's the
kayo
bridge.
na pwede na niya negosyo. May mga borders na siya after that. Pag wala na sila ay, may mga asawa
It's a
na.
green ship.
Mag-isa na lang siya. So, kinuha niya yung mga kwarto, ni-renovate niya para ready sa mga
Pinapaupahan.
pinapaupahan niya.
May naraot ang balay sa sige pa-upa.
Yeah.
At least, kaysa sa nagpapay
Sino-sino na libre, yung mga tinutulungan lang niya. Ito at least mayroon siyang monthly income.
Okay, that's the St. Vincent Bridge. But still, that bridge used to be different. Papasok sa...
Saan yung nagdo-Drew Bridge? Yung
Sa left side yung...
yung nagbubukas pag yung mga ships dumadaan.
yung kalsadang yon perpendicular dito pa ganon.
Another bridge.
Yeah. Now that bridge, I used to pass that way kasi oo. Yung bridge na yon iba ang support noon. Yung used to be made of metal na pa ganon. Hindi ganyan, modernize na nila.
Bago na kamukha naman.
Look at the
ng
cranes.
Oo. But before it wasn't like that. Hindi ko naalala. Ngayon
Look at
na
those cranes.
napon ko yung
And the trains there.
na-recall ko yung
And the
itsura.
ships.
Because that's the naval shipyard.
Navy.
Diyan ako
See,
nag-
Diyan ka
Red.
nag-adapt.
See, there's the train.
Ni-repair yung barko namin pero bumalik pa ulit
Look-
kami
look at
dyan
all the-
for testing.
The containers, all the cargo, all the.
ilang years ka rin nag
4 years lang.
Gusto niya kasi
Piled up.
mag-aral eh. Ayaw niya talaga
So
na.
piled up.
Tagal din yun, ha?
Oh,
Kasi
Wala, that's a lot.
they have
This is-
to
this is-
4 years
wala, see, that's a lot
para
cargo.
contract nila na you have to serve for 4
Wala.
years.
ng Navy ang iyong
It's like Legos put out together.
Lahat. Pati libro na nga, kaya yung
Wala.
sa akin. Kaya wala akong ginasasakay.
Eh, yung ginagawa ng mga bata.
It's the yard. It's the whole farm. There's-
Yeah, I don't know if it's... Pero at least nakakatulong naman. Nung panahon namin, mura pa kasi ang mga...
Ayaw nila yan.
O sa mga other time na lang kung gusto pa nilang mag-fund sa mga...
Interesting. Yun the way those prides are.
Oh, the
Yeah.
Grabe.
And those
cargo,
are
the ships.
the equipments
And
that
they put it on
lifts
the
them
crane.
up from the
Oh, that's the
ships
cranes.
and put it
Go
in
to
the trucks.
cranes.
Yeah.
City College na.
Those boxes goes in the big rigs, the trucks. Drivers that you see in those big rigs.
Oh, the truck,
They are
the
the
trains,
ones, yeah, and the
train, the
trains.
truck, the
Uh-huh.
Man yan.
they put, they
Yep.
put
Computer science.
Put
yeah,
it
look,
there.
look, that's the job of Cranky, you know, Thomas. See, that's Cranky.
Straight compared sa UC.
And the other one was the other guy, the Jamaican guy, per sport.
Nakapasok pa rin siya
Is-
sa trabaho.
He's a crane, Cranky the crane.
0.4
And Salty, the diesel. And then you go there, and then it goes to Thomas, and then Thomas. Yeah, they, you see.
Mali yata.
Papunta to sa Kuan, Pico Avenue. Pero sabi Ocean, mayroon din naman
One of those
Kuan.
trains, there's so many
Yeah.
trains.
Yeah, so many freights
And then
that
train
they
all
need
lined
to
up
load
there,
the
same
trains.
place.
And the truck. See, there's a truck now.
And the
It's gonna
train
pick
there,
up those
There,
freights.
that's a
There, yeah.
container.
Yeah, that's a container and they put those little, you know,
Yeah, that thing is just
Bricks.
sitting on the bed.
yeah,
Or mali ako.
Iko na yun yun.
I'm gonna open
Ayun, nagkamali.
mag-U-turn
that
na
arm
lang.
there.
May way yan.
And the cranes. See, no.
Ini center.
Ha? Terminal Island.
Mga pier pala to eh.
Kita sa pier. Ano kayo ba ang pila din si pier? Ayan kita.
Pier D. Bar, di ba?
Yeah.
Kuanto connected sa Long Beach
Ocean
College.
yan. Sini. Ocean Boulevard.
Or Pacific.
Pacific Coast Highway.
Or Atlantic.
Pinag-u-turn ako.
Atlantic.
Nagkamali talaga ako.
There we go, close to the trains.
Dali.
Oh, kasi papunta doon ang ocean eh. Doon sa kabilang ocean.
There's his China. She gets in like a statue.
Okay.
Port of Long Beach na to. Birds, oh.
Port of Long
Birds 15 to 53, 54.
Mile. Continue straight.
Tinutukso talaga.
Hindi ko nakuha agad.
Magre-recorrida kita just for the disabled.
Maganda disabled kasi
Pero harani, harani ayan,
Hindi
naka
na ako
doon.
pabalikin ito.
Hindi na.
Babalikin ka.
Mayroon bang left
Mayroon
turn na?
dyan, left turn. Yan, yan.
Ay,
Ay,
Sige, sige, sige.
sige.
magli-left dyan.
Look at that, there's a giant robot
Tapos
bird there
left turn dito.
with a neck.
Yun naman pala.
Modified
Green neck.
U-turn.
Green beak.
bawal sigarilyo, bawal. Oh, dami ng bawal pala.
Weird
Oo, ay
place.
kay dami
Oh,
kasi.
yun doon sila.
Oo.
Or even the, look at that dry grass.
Salmon.
The flamingo shaped trees, the flamingo shape.
Parking.
Hain na yon, ayan. So, isa lang
Look at
ang
the weird trees
disabled.
there.
Ha?
Sabi nga,
Ganda ng
isa
weird.
lang naman ang disabled.
Basta
Ah.
may kasakay mo ang disabled.
Kaya nga,
Look at the weird trees. See, look at these weird elephant trees there. Elephant, they look like elephants. It's an elephant tree. Brown elephant tree. Look at these nuts from the tree. Where can you eat these nuts? No, if you eat them, you'll die. Oh, look at that kid there. No, this is children. Look at that kid in the the truck. Who is that? That wink. The truck. It's his children cross. That's all. Who is that? Look at the Encore, there's the Encore. We need to get a picture of the Encore there. There's the big. Next to this giant coral ship tree. There, look how big this Encore is. That's the Encore. There's the big one. That's the Encore of the Queen Man. And then look at this, the globe. The globe. The globe. What in the world? What's that guy there blowing up? The sea shelter. That's weird. What is that? There's the ocean. Look at that, that's the blue ocean, the blue water of the blue ocean.
Yun ang may mga restaurant. May mga shop.
Look at this, look at the rocks, it's so weird.
Para mapas na. May babagang.
Maganda yung mga appetizers.
Yeah, there, let's eat.
Maganda yung mga appetizers nila dyan.
Have dinner.
Across the aquarium.
Naalala ko na si Forrest Gump.
Oo,
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, paborito ko yan na movie na katuwa ang istorya niya.
Pacific. Ba yun ang
Is
Pacific?
the
Pero it's all over US na ang babagam.
Oh, parking structure pala.
Okay. So we can go to parking struct. Ayan.
Tsaka yung wala pa rin.
Walang entrance dyan sa kabila siguro.
Aquarium na ini.
Ay, Pacific na pala to. Yeah. Iba ng hitsura. Parang crowded noon ay maraming space.
Yung parking.
Marami na building.
Oo, dumami ang building.
Walang parking structure na ganito noon.
Oo.
Ngayon na inisan mga
O, libre na.
Oo, kasi kuan at saka I think Baba Gump will give us
$8 ang parking.
pero
Close down.
Pero wala na.
kuan na free na kasi after hours na.
Angat na yung palo.
Yeah.
Hindi na kita dapit mo.
And then I think restaurants stamp I remember if you eat in a restaurant
They
here,
will stamp it.
oh, they will stamp and then free na ang parking mo
Yun ang-
for us. Tingnan na, tanungin natin si Baba Gump.
Sabihin mo, pupunta lang sa restaurant natin.
Hindi, pakita mo yung PW.
We'll go to the restaurant. Is this
Either you can park across the street, they still do the validations, but here it's just an $8 flat rate.
Oh,
Oh, where is the across the
it's over there. That's far.
That's far. We'll just pay, don't worry.
Did it go?
You just place this on your dash
Okay.
and let me print you out a receipt.
You have to. All right. Thank you very much. All right. You too.
Oo na nga. Yung gusto kay bago, $8.
Dito, no? Dito.
Dini ka din.
Oh, dito.
Left.
Wala kang lusot, manual na pala. Or baka yung kanilang paddle, it's not working.
working.
Minsan nasisira din yan.
Dito na kita harani kay may elevator dito siguro.
Oh, saan
Sige.
kaya? We'll see. Yung closest to the side.
Uy, no parking sa disabled.
Oo, yan na pala. Disabled pala tayo.
Yaliwat
O yan liwat, regular.
Oh, regular pa. Oh.
Oo.
Yun naman sa regular kay harani. Kung kami permi nagkakaon, saan to may bag sa
Oh, look at that building. That's a unique building. It's a blue. Shape of the building. Oh no, there's a dolphin. Yeah, see the building. Aquarium of the Pacific. That's the aquarium of the Pacific.
nasa bahay na sa
Look, see, there's fish.
I-pick
That's
upin
the
daw niya yung
aquarium.
isa niyang apo, di ba?
That's the aquarium.
From the school.
The fish. Okay. So the fish, there's a, there's a stingray there. Serious?
Sinag kasi harang
Look at this.
Puti pala yung
Oh, look at
ilaw
this
niya.
on the bed.
puti nga kaya
There's the
makita.
fish.
Ay,
There's
bluman ini, so di puti ang ilaw nila.
see the fish there.
Thank you.
It's the only MOTG pipe in there. And that's a blue way in there. No generation. Pipe. There's nothing. Moonshine. There's the dolphin. There's the dolphin. There's the dolphin. Bobaga. Why is it called Bobaga?
Oh, good. Come here, Daniel.
Oh, careful doon yung
Diyan ba talaga? Wala ko doon. Exit actually.
There, so we're now gonna eat at a restaurant here in Long Beach. The name of this place is called Bobaga. Bobaga because why is there a picture of a shrimp? Bobaga. Why Bobaga? Where do you go outside the it's the end. That ship, the announcing the ship. Oh, look at this. Oh,
You play?
what is that? I don't know. Yeah, that's the. What is this? Oh, it's a shrimp. There, that's the bobo. That's this name, Bobaga. Bobaga, the shrimp.
Feeling we're using the
Oh, look, it's Ariel. Oh, it's Mormon Ariel. Orlando, Hawaii. Look, that's cute. Look at this. That's cute. That's Ariel. Oh, so that's Destiny. This is sequester. We're in sequester. Okay.
I don't know. I could sit inside so it's easy for... I'll put the forks here for now, okay? Gamit din ako ng bathroom.
Hi guys, how are we doing today?
We're fine. There's 3 more cars.
Yeah, no worries. I'll help you guys out once everybody is here. Okay?
Punta rin ako.
Picture yun.
Look at this. This shrimp is the fruit of the sea. That doesn't make any sense. Shrimp is not a fruit.
Glenbo, Alabama.
Oh look, there's a tube there. There's the rescue
Powder.
lifesaver tube.
Chowder, masarap. Clam chowder. Oh, masarap yun. May mga shrimp.
Yung kuwan, yung ano yun?
Please, shrimp is
Butter
there's a shrimp.
shrimp.
Shrimp, please.
Kailang shrimp na kanina.
Fish and chips.
Forest. Picture mo na. Stop, forest, stop. Akala
Ano
ko,
pala yan?
may meaning pala yan.
Sa
That's weird.
drink.
There's a
Sa drink, yan.
Kung may bottomless
The sign,
drink ka, unlimited, tapos you don't want it anymore, you stop.
Stop. I see.
Mayroon nga iso bottomless drink.
That's what it is.
there's no
Crab at saka shrimp together.
there's a license plates.
Iya ho, ano itsura ho.
Sino may Sprite? Ayun.
Uni kasi gusto
Nahilig sa
gusto yan
train
ng
niya.
train.
Hindi ba ano? Mataas masyado.
Yeah.
Well, electric car is the best. It's the modern.
Kumakain din yun
It's the
eh.
car.
Lakas ang kain. Maabot
Walang
na.
mas ka.
Sa 800
Ang mas.
Kaya lang, dahil na may senior discount na ako.
Kaya
Pinangalan ni Ayan ang
Sa'yo.
electric nila sa akin.
Oo.
Kaya ngayon bumaba na 300.
Electric.
Mayroon pala Orange County senior discount.
One of them has the
Wala pa mo.
car. Red.
iba, wala
Red
sa
one,
Sa
red.
Edison, wala.
Wala.
Bakersfield is very hot in summer.
Yeah, this is the fish.
Bumaba lately kasi yung insulation
Yeah, naglagay kami ng mga insulation
sa window. It helps.
And this is the fish.
Can I grab you guys anything extra?
Oh my God, that's good.
Can I grab you guys anything extra for any of the food?
That's it for now. It's good enough for this gathering to meet each other. We bless our travel as we go home and asking especially since going back to Canada tomorrow. Keep him safe and keep us all safe. May you bless each children.
And it's it. Look at this pull it. This
Gusto mo ng French
Kaya
fries.
abot na lang ako dyan.
Akala ko,
Pwede mo naman yan.
Naku, tingnan mo yung kinakain niya.
I know, that looks good. And
yeah, this is
Good. Yeah, healthy diet. Ayos.
napadaan
Oh,
kami
John's
sa-
nga.
Padaan.
Kaya maswerte yung mga edad natin. Kasi pag-umpisa ng
Mas maganda.
Mas gusto ko yung rock and roll.
mga itis na kanta.
Ginagaya nila yun.
Maganda mga ako nila eh.
Yung mga bake nila.
Beatles, mga Beach Boys.
Yung rock and roll music ng Beatles, favorite ko yun. Sarap sa ikon.
Blend lang sa mga rapper.
Yan, kukunta ka na
It's the
ako.
boba boba.
Hot sauce yan. Ito,
Walang hot sauce. Sige.
Oh my goodness. Every time you're in a restaurant, you always hear this. Every American restaurant. They do that. They do that. I don't like that. I don't like them doing that on my bird. They do that. They go boba. I don't want to. Please.
Magmula na bata ni nanit si friend.
So weird.
So nano may trabaho na yun siya niya? Wala na lang yung eh dito may nagdakaw sa lula sa San Jose.
Nagluluto si nanay.
Fries.
Kay marasaho ng kanila.
Eh di yung nakira.
This is it. Mama always says the best in an uncle. What you can tell about that.
Mao bagay yung
What? Person
ugali bagay yung
their shoes.
shoes. Lantuan sila na ka mga kaparindihan
This is
niya na mga
God
abogado ngayon.
intended everybody
Hihira.
to be this
Umuwi ako noon sa
same way.
nagbakasyon kami, galing ako Canada.
Giving us burns
Time yun na lang
on our legs.
nanit asawa niya.
Yeah.
Inabutan ko niya ng
Look at the license plates. The license plate. Pirate music. Pirate ship music. Or is the pirate ship is equestrian? Oh, the building is not blue. And the lights there, it's blue light.
Gumanda na dahil lights are on.
Oh, look at the fish there. Look at the fish.
Saan pa tayo nagkaganon sa...
The blue elevator.
Tayo siguro. Kaya po. Mag-slowly sila na lang. Dito na lang. Yan, doon dapat ka. Daniel, yung siya, kung iyan taas.
Look at this. This is the arms. The robot arms. Oh, see, that's the arm. That's the robot arm. The robot arms and elbows.
Doon tayo sa labas papasok. Kasi numuko yan.
There's the arms there. See the arms of the...
Paano naman papasok?
Pwede ba dito? Pwede naman tayo sinita. Ay, maadaan pa siya dyan dahil magbabayad pa siya. Sabi naman ito, di ba nagbigay na siya ng cash?
Sabi siguro ng tao ay talaga tumatatanda. Wala na.
Alzheimer's.
Napang-smile na lang.
Baka.
That's not good. People are going blind. We're living in the apocalypse.
Oo, kayo yung kamisaran ni Sona Enchanted Coffee Bar.
Pero,
Patra,
kailangan
Yun na
isa.
gym.
we're going blind.
Sige na.
Malapit.
Kanto lang. Tapos yun ang
Look at those robots over there.
kanto.
Meron akong kuha na Ronald eh. Na-save eh. Okay.
Head southwest.
Ayos.
Hey, this is the city
No,
of
you're
Long
done,
Beach.
Daniel.
Long
Okay.
Beach.
Natawa na lang kasi senior citizen kasi.
Mga Jurassic.
Jurassic. Andaritis.
This is Jurassic Park.
Mga Jurassic.
Okay.
The dinosaur.
GPS.
Pakatong
Okay.
kason sa 17th freeway.
Balik na naman tayo.
Kaya pakatong kason sa 17th freeway.
Once na nakapanik ka doon sa...
This is Jurassic Park.
Pag-freeway ka yan. That's okay.
Okay na yun.
Turn left.
Ano na eh, 6 o'clock na eh. Okay na.
Look at the blue lights.
Ka na.
Tama-tama yung ginawa natin. Nag-uusapan muna doon at kumain. No? Di, paglabas mo, gagasta lang tayo ng
Gas.
gas.
At saka kill time.
Oo.
Nagtitext si Ronald, what are we doing for dinner? Baka ko buy your own food. Because
Oh, you already sorry, you did not come with us. You should have already pre-dinner.
Yung
710 or...
Ito na naman yung sa K-Barb. Mga
Ah.
na mo K-Barb.
Malapit lang ba dyan? Di ba sa corner lang yung kuha ninyo, yung mga Korean resto?
Tuloy-tuloy na pala to sa 710.
Oh.
They did not eat.
Diretso na yun eh, 17 na yun eh.
Paana pala ng 710 to.
Biro mo, dito ka nakatira for how many years?
Ay,
From-
Dito pa siya nagtrabaho.
Yeah, dito siya nagsalta from the Navy, dito yung kanyang siyudad, dito siya nag-aral, we got married here.
Eh, kaso how many years na rin ako
I know.
No, sayang
Sayang.
Paano kayo nag-independent person?
Very kuan.
Nadumduman ko ba loko ning paano ka nakaabot kay daghanon imo ka upo din sa pakadto sa Tandan Surat. Mapuha san allowance ning
That was the Tesla spaceship.
The dogs are upstairs.
What is with those?
Might as well use the restroom too kasi 3-hour drive, 5-hour drive.
Dogs out. What let the dogs out? Let the dogs
Waiting at our desks.
we saw the ship.
Mommy, it's been there forever.
We saw the ship, right?
It's like the other
We
side.
saw the ship. We saw the Queen Mary.
Like the way it looks like originally.
No, like on the outside, you know, like where the concourse is and like the little village outside.
Where's
They're
that?
trying to like make it cool, like a little British town.
There's big. We
But
used to have that there.
but they closed it because they wanted to
They're
renovate
making it into a
but then their
British
size
town, like a
got divided.
Chinatown instead of Chinatown, a British.
That's why it looks kind of decrepit.
Because I remember there's a you know the one that's selling hagash before there.
Oh, mommy, that was during a special festival.
No, but the
Oh, look at this, yeah.
It's a puzzle
It's a
and that glows in
puzzle.
the dark.
Wow, that's amazing.
You know,
Let's see,
if you want to see it. It's, my friend gave it to me as a gift.
Kind of,
Glows in the dark.
That's what it's
it
supposed to
glows in the dark.
So that's the challenge. You put it together in the dark.
In the dark, yeah, that's in the dark.
It's challenging enough by itself.
In the dark.
Oh, you're
At 7 o'clock.
places. We went to San Pedro.
Oh,
I
we
didn't
went to the
know
ship. Where were you? Where did you go? You didn't go there. You didn't see it.
That's where they live.
This is Iowa.
And then, we went over this bridge. Your uncle told me if you know that it's new, it's a new bridge.
What's it? Because when I was working for the shipyard,
Entrance, yeah.
Ship, we were looking for you.
Oh, it's the.
We were looking for you. Where were we? When did everyone go?
It's like the wire structure now.
Everyone got kidnapped. We thought you got kidnapped.
You haven't worked in the yard in a long time. That doesn't exist.
Probably over 20 years.
Did you watch?
Yeah,
It's like our favorite show.
just only on your wedding, but we didn't go to the shoreline village
Oh, we didn't
or
go-
anything. We didn't go back
Just the
there.
wedding. It was just the building inside the
It's a
wedding.
big change.
It was just
I
the.
haven't seen it in a while.
Uncle Dan used to work at the naval yard.
It's the dog. It's the dog.
oh yeah, there was, we've never been.
Is there a long busy.
The Grand Prix?
Yeah, the it's too busy.
They have a lot of events.
I got some bad experience. I mean, memory of that in the sense that I came out of the shipyard and
I'm like,
So we should start wearing masks again.
I already got
And I
it.
still
heard
practice
that
social
H1N1
distance.
is coming back.
6 feet apart. Yeah, stand 6 feet.
It used to be.
Yeah, we need to bring back social. Oh, things are gonna get locked down again. Oh, hopefully not.
Now they're gonna put it back.
The monkeypox is now.
Yeah.
Yeah, where's the monkey? That's weird, right? How did the monkeypox go from? No, the H1N1 that was a long time ago. The monkeypox. Oh, it's back. So they're bringing back all the viruses from the past.
COVID, hardly anybody.
No. So what's next? The Black Plague is gonna return. Also.
That's
That's craziness. It's the apocalypse.
yeah.
Look around. See, that's why we still need to.
That's why when I really went to.
The vaccine is not gonna know. You need to go also practice social distancing. We need to not just 6 feet apart. We need to practice 6,000 feet. 6,000.
The vaccine.
For the over 65?
1, 2, 3.
I don't know about over 65,
With
but
the-
for
the
the
box.
kids, it's yearly.
Yearly for us.
Yearly.
I was
Yeah.
told every 2 years.
And then the boost. And then the third.
Are you a risk? High
Louis.
risk?
No. She didn't get an RSV.
The coronavirus is so deadly, right?
We can have it. Yeah.
We already have it last year.
You need 3 shots to kill the virus. That's how bad.
Makuliyon
It took 3
with the RSV vaccine.
Yeah, the one, and then the second one, and then the second one, and then the third one is the boost.
When you get sick, that's just a monoclonal
I
virus.
have reaction from my arm.
Yeah, right.
Maybe that was the shingles.
No, I have shingles.
Because shingles is bad.
It's because of the anti-vaxxers.
That's a bad one. That's why
The anarchist people. That's probably why they started the fire. They got angry at all the vaccine with the vaccine. So they started the fire. The anti-vaxxers started the fire. And I remember people here in California were protesting against the vax. They didn't want the government. They said it was fascist. The vaccine.
I'm so afraid. Every time I see my cardiologist.
You're right. I rather get the vaccine than get the clot. That's why they got angry. That's why they burned. That's the person who started the fire, the arson, was an anti-vaxxer lady.
Rachel, si Rachel.
The guy who burned down,
Inactive shingle because she
who started the fire in the palace.
Is that the old time? Is that the old time?
vaccine.
No.
Word palace means Palestine. It's like the middle.
Shingles. Good thing you had shingles, but it got held because you had shingles back then.
And then the what's that?
When you start having back
where is it?
pain or some or on your neck,
Oh, this is the key. Look here. This is the key to the secret underground thing.
So she's like, I have like this rash
Yeah,
And then
the
the-
pregnancy, stress. Yung the pneumonia, the one that we get this year is supposed to be lifetime.
I had a lifetime. I had a lifetime for a long time already.
I just got mine.
When you get the coronavirus, it will last a lifetime. It's a lifetime. It's a lifetime. See.
That's good.
Because you have so
And then-
much allergy, that's why you're autoimmune.
Word. So they said it was wait, the coronavirus was created in the laboratory in the Wuhan lab. It was an
You're
experiment.
gonna double your
Or was it from the
malaria
Wuhan?
now.
Or was it from the wet market? Where did it come from?
Alright,
Strange.
so let's
They said it was either the wet.
I was driving home and
Yeah, it's windy.
yeah.
Please be sir.
Okay.
There, we're watching the spaceship, huh? This is the. That's
It's so short.